We talk a lot about the electricity. Today we will talk about the dangers of electricity and how to deal with it. Firstly, let's talk about the uses of electricity in our daily life. There are many uses. For example, we use electricity to light our houses, factories, streets, offices, schools. Also, we use the electricity in cooking food and preserve this food cold, like the refrigerator or freezer. Also, we use the electricity to operate some electric machines, such as radio, TV, washing machine, etc. Materials around us can be divided into two classes according to ability to conduct the electricity. So we can classify the material into good conductor of electricity or electric conductor and bad conductor of electricity or electric insulator. What about the electric conductor? They are materials that allow the flow of electricity through them. For example, aluminium, lead, copper, gold, and all the metals. Also, water is good conductor of electricity. Let's talk about the electric insulators or bad conductor of electricity. They are materials that don't allow the flow of electricity through them. For example, wood, plastic, rubber, and also air is bad conductor of electricity. Let's talk about the dangers resulted from the improper use of electricity. We have direct injuries and indirect injuries. What's the meaning of injuries? Injuries that bad things can happen due to the electricity, for example. Direct injuries like what? Fire, electric shock, burns. Again, fires. Which fires? Fires resulting from electricity, and this called electric fire, as you see in the first image from the left. Number 2, the electric shock. If you touch the electricity with your hand, if you touch an insulator wire with your hand and there is electric current passing through it. Number 3, burns resulting from the electric current, electric burns. And also there are indirect injuries, like injuries that result from falling from top of the ladder due to an electric shock, as you see in this image. Firstly, we will talk in this video about the electric fire, that fires occur due to the electricity. The reasons of electric fire, there are many reasons. We will mention some of them. 1, placing or putting an electric machine that generates heat as what? As electric iron, for example. If you put it close to some flammable material. What's the flammable material? Furniture, curtains, clothes. All those material are flammable material, can fire very speed, or can take the fire, or can fire or burn very fast. So you should avoid putting these machines next to or close to this materials, flammable materials. Number 2, plugging or putting more than one machine in one socket, as you see in this image, that cause electric overload. Overload of electricity will pass through this wire. So the wire heat up, causing what? causing fire. Number 3, not disconnect the electric current from the electric machines that generate heat after use, which cause an increase in the temperature of this machine, causing fire, like the heater. After you use the heater, you should what? Disconnect the electric current from this machine to avoid burn and make fire from this heater, produce fire. Give reason. Plugging more than one machine in one socket causes electric fire. That's because it causes electric overload, so the wires heat up, causing fire. Number 2, not disconnecting the electric current from the electric machines after use causes fire also, as we said before, because this increases the temperature of the machine, causing fires. In the electric fire, we use sand to put off these fires. Give reason. Because water is good conductor of electricity, so it will increase the fire and harm the rescuers. Thank you, and I'll see you inshallah next time.